Oh my gosh. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add the tape. Add the tape. Make sure it's sticky. Real sticky. So I'm using two-sided tape so that one side is super sticky on the scalp and the other side accepts the hair and sticks to it without falling off. Then I add glue. The glue is in the bio, the link is in the bio, over top of the two-sided tape. And then I add another layer of glue. Another layer of glue because then it makes it extremely sticky. Then I use the blow dry. I put it on cool. That is the tip. Put it on cool. I size it up and then voila! It lays perfect. Carrington the Celebrity Barber. And it's time to style after this. Watch this. Watch this. So here I'm just styling and fading in the hair that I just installed. Clipper over comb, that is. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. And this is the snippet of a video releasing soon.
10,
And this is how I install
9,
in under 10
8,
seconds.
7,